Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57 and I'm doing just a quick nail vlog because as you can see I've removed my design from my nails, which was the basically an overlay with the dip powders and an extension with the fiberglass, and the design over the what I'm going to call the raw dip powder finish was all gel. So all I did was just file it off with an electric file. I meant to record this and do a video of it, guys, while I was while I was doing it, and I had all my setup nice and neat, and I am doing everything under the camera, only to notice that I look up and I wasn't recording at all. Wow. Okay. So, but anyways, here it is. Just to, if you're were interested in knowing, this was I wore it. Let me show you the other hand. This was a full week of wearing that design, and there you can see, my nails. I was thinking of taking down some length, but I might leave it while I have some gel products that I have to review. And yeah, but that was it. All I did, remember, it was all gel over this dip powder. So all I did use an e-file to remove it to make it easier. It was nice and quick. And so I still have this dip powder as an overlay with the fiberglass extensions. You can see still nice and intact. This will go for another 2 weeks. I mean, those fiberglass tips are not going anywhere. There's nothing, they're not coming off or anything. This is just the dip powder. So I can go over this now. My intention is to use gel, but I think I might look for a way of being able to remove it, peel it off without having to file, so that I don't keep compromising any lifting on the dip powder. Not sure about that. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. This was, again, a week wear of that design. That's about all I can handle with that, with that. And I'm on to ready for something new. If you guys have any questions about this, leave them below. The removal, and now the removal of the dip powder itself, that will be soaking it off. If and when I get to that, I will let you know. But yeah, if you have any questions about this, I'll be happy to answer for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.